Hey everyone, if you're looking for a dinner idea that's light, fresh, full of flavor, and still a little bit fancy, yet it takes very little effort to make, today I'm going to teach you how I make my lemony cod and potato sheet pan dinner. It's on the table in under an hour, so you really can't beat that. Full of flavor, there's bright lemon in there, garlic, herbs. The potatoes are going to soak all of that up. The fish is also going to get moist and perfectly cooked in the oven alongside the potatoes. This is one of those dinners that your family is going to ask for over and over again. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, we're going to begin by making the dressing. So we need some fresh lemon juice for this, about 1/4 cup. I always add more because I love it super lemony. You add as much as your heart desires. We have 3-4 garlic cloves in there for a lot of flavor. They've been grated. Then some really good quality olive oil, so about 3-4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of that. And then I'm also going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is optional. If you don't like mustard, you can leave it out. A teaspoon of dried oregano. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Whisk this all together and set it aside. We're going to get the potatoes on the sheet pan first because they do take a little bit longer. And I'm using these baby potatoes. I'm just gonna leave them as is. I'm not peeling them. I'm just gonna quarter them up into wedges and put them in the pan, drizzle with some olive oil, and then we're gonna season them with salt, pepper, and a little bit of dried oregano. Toss everything all together. This is gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. You really want them to get a nice head start. And then I'll just push them to one side, or you can snuggle the cod in between the potatoes. It's up to you. So I'm using codfish today. If you overcook codfish, it's going to be dry. So just be careful and keep an eye on it. Do not overcook it. You can substitute salmon if you like, or even a flounder, whatever your favorite fish is can go in. Just monitor the cooking time. If it's thinner, it's going to be ready a little bit quicker. So the fish is going to go in. We're going to pour the Lemony dressing that we just made on top. We'll season it with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. And then this is going to go back in the oven for about 15 minutes. You'll know the cod is cooked through when it flakes easily with a fork. That's how you know it's ready. Take it out. We're just going to garnish this with a little bit of finely chopped fresh parsley, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it. The lemony cod and potatoes are ready. Simple, light, yet full of flavor. You can print the recipe out on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. I hope you guys give this one a try. Just toast some bread and make a nice salad alongside of this, and that's all you need. And dinner will be on the table in under an hour, so you really can't beat that, and it's going to taste delicious and fresh, just like you ordered it on a seaside Greek taverna. You really can't beat this one. I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know how it turns out in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.